In this video, I'll show you how to cash out money from Binance to your bank account using the latest version of the app. First, open the Binance app and log in. At the bottom, tap Wallets, then go to Funding or Spot and check what you're holding. If your balance is still in crypto, you need to convert it to cash, Fiat first. To do that, tap Trade at the bottom, then use either Convert or Spot. In Convert, choose your coin in the From field and a fiat currency like USD/EUR in the To fields, then confirm. In Spot, sell your crypto to a fiat pair or to a stablecoin, then convert that to fiat. When you're done, go back to Wallets to Funding/Fiat and Spot and make sure you now have a fiat balance, like USD, EUR, and so on. Next, tap Withdraw at the top. Choose Fiat, not crypto. Select the currency you want to cash out, then tap Continue. Binance will show the available withdrawal methods in your region, such as bank transfer, card withdrawal, or local payment channels. Pick the bank method you prefer, then select or add your bank account details if it's your first time. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and tap Continue. On the confirmation screen, carefully check the bank name and account number, the amount you'll receive, the fees and estimated arrival time. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm, then complete any security checks like SMS, email, or authenticator code. Your cash out request is now submitted, and the money will be sent from Binance to your bank account once processed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.